In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a post in Meta Business Suite Planner. Scheduling your content helps you stay consistent without having to be online at the exact moment your post goes live. Let's walk through the process from start to finish so you can set it up with confidence. First, log in to Meta Business Suite using your usual credentials. Once you're in, make sure you're working on the correct page or business. If you manage multiple pages, glance at the top of the interface to confirm you're in the right place before you continue. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click Planner. This opens a calendar-style view where you can see past and upcoming content. It's a handy snapshot of your schedule and helps you spot any gaps or overlaps in your posting plan. From here, click Create Post. A composer window will appear. This is where you write your post caption and add any photos, videos, or links you want to include. Keep your caption clear and engaging, and make sure your media files are high quality and relevant. If you're adding a link, check that the preview looks correct and that the URL is working. Take a moment to review spelling, tone, and any calls to action so your message is easy to understand. When your content looks good, it's time to set when it should publish. Start by selecting a date on the calendar. Choose the day that aligns best with your goals. Think about when your audience is most likely to be online and how this post fits into your broader content plan. After choosing the date, select the exact time you want the post to go live. Pay attention to your time zone settings so the post goes out when you expect. If your audience spans multiple regions, pick a time that suits the majority of your followers. Once both the date and time are set, click Schedule. You should see a confirmation indicating that your post is scheduled. If anything looks off, you can go back and adjust the details before finalizing. That's it. Your post will now automatically publish at the chosen date and time. One quick tip: if you need to make changes later, open Planner. Find the scheduled post on the calendar and edit or reschedule it before it goes live. This flexibility helps you stay responsive to last-minute updates without losing your place in the plan. You're all set to schedule posts efficiently and consistently using Meta Business Suite Planner.